Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering and preparing the Endurance Peak 3. Plug the case into USB-C and charge until the LED indicates sufficient battery. This prevents interruptions. Once charged, open the case near your phone and turn on Bluetooth. You want immediate discovery. If the earbuds don't auto-pair, press and hold the case button 2 to 3 seconds to force pairing mode. This sequence ensures the headset is responsive and visible, so you can move directly into connecting without wasted steps. You now pair and optimize fit. Tap the JBL Endurance Peak 3 entry in your device's Bluetooth list and wait for the confirmation beep. Once connected, play a short audio to verify left and right channels. Next, choose the proper ear tips, small, medium, or large, until you get a snug seal for bass and isolation. Then loop and twist the ear hook into place so the bud locks against your ear. A secure fit prevents dropouts during movement and improves sound. You finish by mastering controls and charging, then handle common issues. Use the earbud touch or button controls to play, pause, change tracks, and adjust volume. Practice gestures so they are instinctive during workouts. When done, place both earbuds into the case to initiate charging. Watch the LED for status. If you encounter pairing or audio problems, perform a reset. Hold the earbuds buttons or the case button if instructed for about 10 seconds. Then repair. This clears glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.